right, let's see, number 5A. Advanced factoring. Oh, I forgot to get you your charts. I'll get you your charts Monday. 216 is a perfect cube. They got marital problems. Ooh.
That's boring.
Ooh. That's, I got that on record.
Did you really?
Yeah. Okay, I gotta make sure that 216 is a perfect cube.
Right there.
Gonna hit my math key. Go down to cube root, hit enter, put 216 in, hit enter, and I get it is indeed a perfect cube. It's 6 cubed. So this equals x cubed plus 6 cubed. And I will give you on this little flowchart sheet the formula for factoring cubes, which I forgot to do. The formula for sum of cubes equals a cubed plus b cubed equals a plus b, a squared minus a b plus b squared. And the difference of cubes, which is a cubed minus b cubed, is a minus b times a cubed plus a b plus b squared.
I'm not dramatic. I'm genuinely gonna look at it. You said you were. Don't fucking lie to me then.
Language. Language. So 5a, my a equals x, my b equals the base 6. So following my formula, I have x plus 6 times a squared plus a times b, which is 6x, plus b squared, 6 squared, which is 36. (5b), see, this equals a x cubed minus 2 cubed, so my a is x, my b is 2. So following my formula, which you will have on the quiz, for the quiz, I have x minus 2 times x squared plus a times b, which is 2x, plus b squared, 2 squared is 4. Number 7, I have 4 terms, so I'm going to factor by grouping. I'm going to group these two, and I'm going to group these two. Let's see, out of this first grouping, I can take out a 3 and an x squared, and I'm left with x plus 4. Let's see, the second one, I can take out a plus 5, and I'm left with x plus 4. Notice, I get the same quantity. If you don't get the same quantity, you did something wrong. So I'm going to take out the x plus 4. And I'm left with 3x squared plus 5. Okay, find the inverse function. Switch x and y and solve for y. Okay, if you want to, I would rewrite this and replace the f of x with y. Then I'm going to switch the x and the y. So I get x equals 4y minus 9. Then I'm going to solve for y. Add 9 to both sides. So I get x plus 9 equals 4y. Then I'm going to divide every term by the coefficient 4. So my inverse function is going to equal, don't forget there's a 1 there, 1/4. I'm going to pull the x out so it looks like y equals mx plus b, plus 9/4. The properties. The domain and range, what? That's right. Switch. Number 2, sometimes, always, and never. A function and its inverse are the same. That's right. Sometimes. Can you have a function whose inverse is not a function? Yes. Perfect example, a parabola. If the original passes the horizontal line test, then the inverse is a function. And the original and the inverse are reflections across the y equals x line. I think that's it.